Hello everybody, this is Adewale Adebusoye, right out of my home office, Lagos, Nigeria, and I have a question for you today. Are you in a network marketing company and you don't like auto ships? Well, if so, I have a message for you, so stick around and listen up. So, I was on Facebook and I saw a friend of mine who put up a post and he was talking about how auto ships are very important and he would rather have 20 people on his team doing auto ships than to have 400 people who just bought one time. And I agreed. You see, in network marketing, we are paid for volume, not recruiting people. We're paid based on sales volume. All right. Now, I see a lot of people who run after get rich quick schemes and other programs, and they like boasting that they don't have auto ships. And what they don't realize is that that's a red flag for the FDA of the USA or other regulatory bodies to come after your company and call it a pyramid. All right. Autoships are very important and they are the lifeblood of any legitimate network marketing business. Why? Simple. The promise of network marketing is residual income, money that flows to you when you're eating, sleeping, or drinking. All right. So if your company doesn't have autoships or a monthly reorder system for a product or service, then where is that residual income going to come from? So if you're in network marketing and you don't like auto ships, I would suggest that you might be in the wrong profession or you're going to get frustrated because if you don't do your auto ships in some companies, you might not receive your commissions and people are going to duplicate what you do. So if you sit down and say, hey, I don't want to do my auto ships, guess what? The people you recruit are going to do the same thing. Autoships are the lifeblood of any legitimate network marketing business because you cannot have residual income without a monthly reorder system for a product or service. So autoships are really important in your business and I advise you to just suck it up and just accept it. It's part of the business. So I hope you got value from this video that I did on the importance of auto ships in your network marketing business because in MLM we are paid for sales volume, not recruiting people one time. If you don't have a large sales volume, you don't have a commission. So I hope you got value from this video. Share it with anybody who's telling you that they don't like a network marketing company because they have auto ships, and share and like, comment, and share. Let me know your opinion. I've seen so many comments on the internet. People say, "Oh, I hate auto ships." That they get sucked into some of these so-called online gimmicks and they lose money. Then they come around saying network marketing doesn't work. Yes, it worked, but you were looking for a get rich quick scheme instead of a legitimate network marketing business where you get paid on sales volume produced by other ships. So take care of yourself and leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Bye.